Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information Channel. This is episode number 109. And in this episode, I will talk about the Web 2.0 tools, features, characteristics, and application. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. In this video, I will talk about the 4 main points. Number one, what is Web 2.0? Number two, what are the features of Web 2.0? Number three, what are the characteristics of Web 2.0? Number four, what are the impact, application, or effects of Web 2.0? Point number one, what is Web 2.0? The term was coined by the Dacre Denenson in 1999 and later popularized by the Tom Orley and Del Dorothy at the first Web 2.0 conference in 2004. Web 2.0, also known as a participative or participatory web and social web, refer to the website that emphasizes user-generated content, ease of use, participatory culture, and interoperability, i.e. compatibility with other product, system, and devices for end user. Point number two, what are the tools of Web 2.0? There are the following tools of Web 2.0: instant messenger, release sample syndication, RSS feeds, social media, web podcasting, blogging, tagging, wikis, live media streaming. Point number three, what are the features of Web 2.0? The key features of Web 2.0 includes blocksonomy, free classification of information, allow user to collectively classify and find information. Example, tagging of website, image, videos, and links. Number two, rich user experience, dynamic content that is responsive to user input. Example, a user can click on an image and enlarge it or find out more information. Number three, participation. Information flows two ways between the site owner and site users by means of evaluation, review, and online commenting. Site users also typically create user-generated content for others to see. Example, Wikipedia, an online encyclopedia that anyone can write articles for or edit it. Number four, software as a service. Web 2.0 sites develop APIs allowed to automated usage such as by web app software application or mashup. Number fifth, mass participation. Near universal web access leads to differentiation of concern from the traditional internet user base who tended to be hackers and computer hobbyists to wider variety of users, distinctly changing the audience of internet users. Point number four, what are the impact, effects, or application of Web 2.0? Web 2.0 affects the following profession. Number one, marketing. Number two, sales. Number three, education. Number four, computer and telecommunication and information technology. Number fifth, business and trades. And number six, banking. Here I conclude the episode 109, and in this episode I discussed what is Web 2.0, features of Web 2.0, characteristics and applications of Web 2.0. Stay connected or connect with my social media accounts. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thanks for watching till the end.